Hey guys, and welcome to ST3Works. On today's episode, I'm planning on taking apart this cylinder head for an 07 Audi A4, or at least that was the plan. Now, unfortunately, this thing, after looking at it, even just getting this cover off, you can pretty much tell already that it's damaged beyond repair. It is repairable, but the costs are going to be astronomical, so let me get into it. I'll show you what I'm talking about, show you the damage, and kind of just give you an update on my plan for the build moving forward. Alright, now that I've got that cover off, you can pretty much see it's all messed up. Snap the sprocket right off the camshaft there. Chain's all busted. Broke the tensioner housing. Rebuilding this head's going to be very costly. By the time you take it in to get machined, replace all the parts, cams, valves, rocker arms, everything, it's going to get pretty expensive pretty quick. So I'm thinking I'm probably just going to shut this down, working on this head in particular, and probably just go and order, you know, a used one off of eBay or a rebuilt one. Probably a used one because I'm trying to do this on a budget. But I'm going to try and get one that's been tested. So unfortunately, that cylinder head is toast, so we're going to order a new one and then get back to working on the Audi. So that's going to be it for this week's episode, but tune in next week. I got a new project I'm going to be working on, and that is this baby here. So got this E30 325i, and we're going to turn this into a drift car. There are 3 more drifting events left of the season in my local area, so we're going to try and get this thing to the track at least once this year and you know, send it. The project I'm going to be working on next week is we're going to build a hydraulic handbrake for it. Going to get a clutch master cylinder out of something like a Civic or whatever, and rig it up. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I know this week's episode was a little bit of a bummer, but I got lots of cool projects I'll be working on coming up. So if you like my videos, just hit that button, and if you got something to say or something you'd like to see me work on in the future, let me know.